Hey you guys, today we're learning about finger picking. The pattern that you'll learn today works for a 3/4 time signature song. So the first thing you need to know is that your thumb is going to play one of these three strings, and I'll show you how to know that with the next slide. So that first, then your index finger plays the third string, middle finger plays the second string, ring finger plays the first string, back to the second string with your middle finger, and finish with your index on the third. So that. And I'll show you that with my fingers in a second. On your chord chart, if you look underneath, there's an R and a 5, and the R stands for which string is the root. And you'll see that this R is underneath the fourth string. This is not telling you that 5 is the root. The R is under the fourth string, so the fourth string is the root. So when you play a D chord, your thumb is going to play the fourth string. Your other three fingers play third, second, and first string. And when you come over here to this A chord, notice that for A7 and for A, the root is in the same place. So for any form of the same chord, for any form of an A chord, the root is going to be in the same place. Here it's telling you that the root is on the fifth string. This 5 means that sometimes we alternate between the root and the fifth of the chord, and that's where the fifth of the chord is played. We don't need to know that for right now, but right now we really only care about where the root is. So we need to know that a D chord has a root on the fourth string, A chords have a root on the fifth string, and then E and E7, all forms of E, the root is on the sixth string because the R is underneath the sixth string. Okay, so here's what it looks like when we finger pick. The first chord I'm going to do is a D chord. So my thumb is going to play the fourth string, and then my index finger plays the third, middle finger plays the second, ring finger plays the first. So this is one measure. Then when we go to an A chord, my thumb's going to go to the fifth string. These three fingers stay on the third, second, and first. This is what that sounds like. Now I'm going to go to an E7 chord, and my root is the sixth string. These three fingers still stay on first, second, and third strings, though. Okay, now I'm going to play Silent Night and First Noel. You can choose one or the other to play. I think Silent Night's a little easier. The chord changes are a little farther apart. So here's First Noel. The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. And we always finish with the thumb on the root. Okay, here's Silent Night. Silent night.